Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Getting your Garmin R10 paired with E6 Connect software is simpler than you might think. This video walks you through the entire process, step by step, using the very latest updates for 2025. We'll make sure you're ready to hit virtual fairways and greens quickly, experiencing amazing golf simulation from home. Let's dive in and get you set up for success. Before you connect, take a moment to prepare your devices. First, make sure your Garmin R10 has the very latest firmware installed. This is crucial for compatibility. Then, double-check that your E6 Connect software is also completely updated. Finally, fully charge your R10 and place it on a firm, level surface, giving it the best possible start. Now, let's make the connection. Begin by opening the Garmin Golf app on your phone or tablet. Navigate to the Golf Simulators section and connect your R10 from there. Once it's paired in the Garmin app, launch E6 Connect on your PC or mobile device. From within E6, simply select Garmin R10 as your preferred launch monitor. You should see a successful connection message, meaning you're almost ready to play. Occasionally, you might encounter a small hiccup. If your devices aren't connecting, don't worry. A simple restart of both your R10 and the E6 Connect app often resolves most issues. Also, double-check your device's Bluetooth settings to make sure it's active and not being blocked. Finally, ensure you have a strong, reliable Wi-Fi signal, as this helps maintain a smooth simulation experience. With your R10 and E6 Connect now perfectly linked, it's time to optimize your experience. Make sure your play area is clear and properly sized for your swing. Regular calibration of your R10 within the E6 settings will ensure the most accurate shot tracking. Now, just explore the vast library of courses and practice modes within E6 Connect and really enjoy your golfing journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.